This video is meant to give you a glimpse into science, a few facts, and then the fascinating neurobiology behind hypnotherapy. Let's begin with what research has shown. Recent studies from Frontiers in Psychology 2024 and Oxford Neuroscience 2021 reveal that hypnotherapy is not simply a state of relaxation. It's a measurable neurophysiological condition. Under hypnosis, the brain enters in a unique state of network segregation. Areas responsible for critical thinking and self-monitoring, the prefrontal cortex and the anterior cingulate cortex, temporarily loosen their communication. This allows suggestion to reach deeper emotionally and sensory layers of the mind. One fascinating study published in Neuroimage demonstrates that during hypnotic analgesia, when a person is guided to feel no pain, the brain reduces activation in regions like the somatosensory cortex and increases control from higher order areas. In other words, suggestion can literally modulate how pain is processed in the brain. Similarly, in 2019, researchers studied smokers under hypnosis observed changes in the right dorsolateral prefrontal cortex and insula, two regions linked with cravings and self-control. After a single hypnotic session, the neural connectivity shifted. The urge to smoke decreased, and the body's craving signals were calmer. So what is happening neurobiologically speaking? When the mind enters hypnosis, the default mode network, which generates our inner dialogue, becomes quieter. The silence network, which detects emotional relevance, becomes more sensitive. And the executive control network, which manages attention and intention, aligns with focused suggestion. This triad creates the ideal environment for neuroplasticity, for the brain to rewire old associations and build new, healthier circuits. In the case of phobias, hypnotic desensibilization helps regulate the amygdala, the fear center, through top-down influence prefrontal cortex. The result? Fear responses weaken, calm returns, and in addictions, the insula responsible for the feeling of bodily cravings begins to uncouple from reward circuits, breaking the loop between thought and compulsion. And in chronic pain, hypnotic suggestion can alter thalamic and cingulate activity, reducing pain perception without drugs. A mind-based modulation of body sensory reality is not magic. It is neurobiology in motion. The poetry of the brain responding to belief. Hypnotherapy then becomes a bridge between conscious intention and unconscious physiology, between words and neurons, between the human voice and the body's deepest healing intelligence. Change the inner dialogue, you change the wiring of your brain. And when the brain changes, your entire reality begins to